Got a new one for you heading out to Lake Murray, so be sure and like and subscribe, check out the video, and just a Saturday ride. Lake Murray, here we come. Big red, little red, big green, and medium red. Wonder what's in that. Sandwiches. This reminds out of the gutter, boys. And we're looking pretty good on it. And I would take you because you're a fucking champion, man. You are a champion. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Should be fun enough. Blake rode this last. Make sure you turn the key off. Hopefully he's got that jumper he is bringing. The one thing he's supposed to bring is his ass and his jump box. And I told him I wouldn't bring mine because he said he was going to bring his. You ready, Booger? Hey, turds. All y'all little...
Me too?
All y'all four little turds.
Yeah.
Where are we going? So should I go left or right?
Right.
Right.
I'm going left.
Right is the right way.
Oh, left? Oh.
I'm about to fill up this bike, man. It fell over and the fuel switch wasn't off. And it was just pissing gas everywhere. So I know it's gonna be out of gas. Man, went down a dirt road for 30 seconds there, boy. Now I got white walls.
Hey, I will say that was like the smoothest dirt road ever.
Yeah, I know. Dude, there was a truck doing about 80. Seriously, I could see
me.
his back tires just hooking it, spinning them.
That looked like a truck.
Yeah. Tried to, stripped it.
Great.
Let me see.
That's fine. That's great. This is better for the trail.
You're gonna break it anyways. The mirror. Damn, a lot of people. You guys good? You ready? First ride out, boys. Pretty much. There's a couple banshees right there.
Some racers.
Yeah.
Some potential racers.
Got your helmet on. All three of y'all buckled up. There you go, babe. Tell them it's for all of us. I would play in the tub with it. You'd wind it up and it'd kick its back feet.
Me too.
And swim across the tub.
Mine had hooks.
Oh, let me see that hook. Yeah. Damn, boys. So what are you going for?
Sharks, whales.
Whales. There's a big one.
Yeah.
There's a whale.
Right for 'em.
There's a white whale. Damn, you gave up already, dog?
No, I need to go somewhere. I need to move around. It's too shallow over here. You can see the beach. I can't get out far enough.
Parker, stand up. You gonna drive my three-wheeler out there about 3 feet?
I was going back towards the lake and I could smell it, but I was like, damn, I'm pretty far out. I ought to just go ahead and turn around because they're probably getting back. So I got onto this main road because I guess there was like a bunch of turns on my way back. I was trying to look, but I just ended up going back basically to the truck and then just followed it back to here.
Nice. But you didn't see Austin?
Nope. I sat there and looked. I don't even know I couldn't remember what he looked like. I mean, I was looking for a CRF. All I saw, there's a bunch of four-wheelers coming up.
So this is your tackle box / lunch box /
bank /
stash box?
No. I use my chicks.
Box.
Chi-Chi's.
Literal. Oh.
Yeah. The sandbox too.
Yeah. Oh, got some nice, what are those, 22 millimeter?
Tungsten.
They
Those are
look like they're
tungsten,
22
boy.
weights.
Those ain't lead. These are bullets. Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. They look like. What are
38
you loading?
special.
You're going rifle fishing?
Yeah, that's 38 special right there. I could use a swim bait, but I think we're gonna just.
Why don't you use some of this cucumber sandwich?
Because I like to catch fish.
Yeah, and the fish, they ain't gonna go for that.
Yeah.
They ain't gonna go for that.
Too late.
We need to change this R to a B and just make it a banger
Yeah.
instead of a Ranger. What does smaller mean to you?
Well, that was a 3/8 ounce.
This looks like Scuba Steve.
That was a 3/8 ounce.
So you're fishing with Gumby this time.
Yeah.
That is Gumby's cousin. Gumby.
That looks more like what you're gonna get a bass with next to that edge over there, where a frog would be.
I need to take a beer with me.
You don't realize there wouldn't be a frog out there in the middle. God, look at that swing arm work. I like the way you got your overflows.
I did that with the Harbor Freight battery charger.
Yeah, 2 of them. You got to use 2 of them and 2 car
I
batteries.
used 4 of them.
Yeah, and I had my wife's car running while I did it.
Yeah,
The one alternator.
Because she's the one that gives me a ride to work.
See where it drops, but it goes like
I see
kind of
it.
far down to here.
He wants to get near the brush.
I keep fish out here on this peninsula.
There's a
She's a little chunky. He's using half the tires exactly. He's right dead on the axle. And we're hoping for something we can throw in a pit and, you know, bake like an Indian or something. We're gonna dig a sand hole and Dutch oven that motherfucker. If he catches anything. All right, Austin, I don't want to do it, man, but we tried to let you do your thing. I gotta come save you. I'm gonna go save him. I'm gonna save him, you guys. He's bowing down to me, dude.
I crushed that. I'll show you something.
That was it. You're welcome.
Look what I can do.
Look at it.
Look what I can do.
No! Oh, shit!
Hey, to be continued.
That was our viral video right there, dude. We needed that.
One. Oh, boy. Oh! Hold on.
Let's
Let's get a good hold on him. Oh!
Step on him a little.
It is. Thank
You need a-
I know.
Ow. That's some live bait right there. That's why you catch the big ones.
Yeah, he's yanking his fin into my knuckles.
Great. Now I'm hungry. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Show them a little demo in the water right here just so they can see what it looks like out there for the big boys. See here? That's what your bait looks like, guys. That's why you catch the real stuff here in a minute. All right, dude. Godspeed, Blake.
All right, I'm about to
You kind of played with him a little long.
I got a couple more things to do.
Got to re-skewer him. Why are you getting so tight to the tree, bro? You got all day around the tree. You got all day that way. He put it in reverse. Oh, how deep did it get? Dude, your fork boots ain't even wet. Hey, he's holding on to the back. Let me just focus on Austin for a minute. He's blowing it right now. Don't you blow it too. Dude, look at your fork boots. They're still dusty. You didn't even commit. Oh, you're done, bro. You trying to run me over and shit? Bro, are you like, seriously? You just wanted to take me out? Oh, nice. I didn't say nothing until you were done riding because I really wanted to go bad for you.
I know you did. 100%.
Oh, bro, that's just how it is, man. Everybody's hoping the video turns bad real quick, huh?
Absolutely.
Why do you think she's holding the camera? Because we're all thinking you're going to mess up, man.
Oh, the baby's crying. Oh. Oh shit. Damn.
Is it straight? Get it, Blake! Made it, dude! Full commitment.
I just want to run.
Oh, shoot. I missed that.
I got his ass this time. Oh, got you, bitch. Watch your ass. One lap left. Oh, I beat him, dude. Squat straight up and down.
You okay?
No.
For real?
Yeah. Oh no, I just need gas. What do you think? You want to keep riding?
Wow.
What do you think? Go right back up the way we came. Alright. We're gonna go right back the way we
Okay.
came. Pioneer.
Hey, we have to go back through the underground forest again.
Going down in neutral.
No, do not do that. That's the fastest that quad ever went. Oh shit, boys! Fuck. I went further. No. That ain't easy on that little three-wheeler, babe, without running.
Oh, Blake.
See what I'm saying? That shit ain't easy on those.
Blake didn't get it.
No, hold up. I went up the right road.
Damn it, I missed it.
No.
Oh, shoot, I missed it. Damn, Blake. You okay?
Your face went straight into that dirt.
I like this thing a lot, man.
What are they doing? Oh my
Austin's
goodness.
getting them into some shit over here. Buster, if you try and do that, whenever you get going down, you better get you a little run at her. Go down, sweetie. Go down one. One more. Yeah, girl. Look at all that power, girl. Burning that transmission out of that fucking Yamaha, the clutch out of it.
Oh, bro.
She'll get her up in third gear somehow every time. Stay to your right, son. So this is what you've been driving, huh?
What?
This? I've been working hard. I'm trying to see what you've been doing. I know you've been up against it. Sure does turn easy in the sand, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, it turns easy in the sand. That's Parker's first time ever on the ATC 70 right there.
Pretty cool. He needs to be careful.
Yeah. This thing's got a lot of power.
Oh, yeah. He's been climbing over everything really good.
Hey, Parker! You don't even know where that brake is. I wish this son of a bitch had a front. Hey, Parker! Andy Rex, watch it. About to give. Oh, excuse me. Hey, Parker, that's your brake. No, that. Oh no. Yeah. Can you turn around, son, without biting it? Go forward a little and just back up. That's fine. Keep your feet up. Boy, keep your feet up. Stay right up there, boy. the clutch. Oh yeah! Look at this casserole. This guy's a total casserole. Who the hell even drives a Jeep? I mean, like, really, the coolest thing about this guy is the big red. I mean, everything else is like poser shit. The poser Jeep, the poser